So this week for math, we're learning about measurement. And all of the vocabulary that you need to learn to be like a mathematician are longer than, shorter than, taller than, and the other big word that we're going to learn is the baseline. So we're going to be measuring things and figuring out which objects are short and which objects are tall. You can also talk about which objects are long and which objects are wide. So when you're measuring things, I want us to look at how do you know where to start? So is it safe to say the teddy bear is longer than the felt? Does that make sense? No, because when we measure things, we need to measure at the baseline. So the baseline is where you put all of the items and you have to make sure they all line up, and then we can describe it as the real thing. So is the teddy bear shorter or longer than the marker? The teddy bear is shorter, and we know that because we match it up on the baseline, and now we can see that the felt is longer or taller. So what I want you to do, some activities, is to find some objects around your house, and I want you to put them in order from shortest to tallest. So let's figure that out. Which one do you think is going to be my tallest object? I think maybe the marker is going to be my tallest. So I'm going to put it over here. And I think my teddy bear is going to be the shortest. So I'm going to put it right there. Which one do I think is going to be the next tallest? Maybe the cubes? Okay, measure up the baseline and let's see. Oh, yeah, that's right, because the crayon is a little bit taller. Okay, so that's good. I measured up at the baseline. Which one do you think is going to come next? The ruler? Does that come next? No, it doesn't look like it. So I'm going to move that to the side. Let's take a look at the felt pen. That one can go next, I think, but let's measure with this one. Oh, what do we notice here? Which one is taller? So we're just going to have to switch that over. There we go. And then I think I'm going to put this one, and then I think I'm going to put that one. How do I know if I did it right? It should look like a staircase going up. So when you measure this week, no matter what you're measuring, always remember the baseline. And you can measure things short and tall, or if you turn it sideways, you can measure things short and long. The other word that you can use is wide and narrow. So the surface of this ruler, is it wider than the felt pen? It is wider because look, it spreads out a little bit more. So you can also figure out which things are wider and narrow. So the felt pen is more narrow than the cubes. The ruler is wider than the cubes. So practice that this week with your parents, and we will send you some activities at home.